Hey everyone, I'm just doing this really quick. I wanted to show you a resource that you could use in the event we have to go digital um, for pandemic purposes. But anyway, this program is called Screencast-O-Matic. It's really, really easy to use. You can, when I'm done recording this, I can save it as a file or upload it to YouTube. Which honestly, YouTube is probably easier at this point in time. We run off of Google, and every YouTube is connected to our Google account, so this might be easy to do. But anyway, so I just kind of wanted to show you, you can do a picture-in-picture like what I'm doing as while you are presenting information. So maybe even if you had to show kids something, there's an option on here for me to go full screen, only presentation, or what have you. So depending on what you're doing. Again, this is just for recordings. This is not for live. So I just pulled up the presentation that I'm going to do for Parent Winter Sport meeting tomorrow. So you can just kind of see, I can go through the information. The kids can still see me, so it's still slightly interactive. So in case you, to do these interactive lessons, but it's a recording in the flipped classroom and what have you, it's sometimes it could be hard for certain individuals, but still kind of having that face in your presentation is helpful. If you have, I'm wondering, this is actually a question I do have. I'm wondering if you have a document viewer, if this could somehow be connected, because does it show up on your screen? So that way if you're doing math problems or what have you, that could still potentially work. But anyway, this was just a resource. It's very, very easy to use. So I wanted to show you. It's free. You just have to download the launcher and then you can use it for free on the website. I'm not sure. I think you could pay for more options, but honestly, I used this for the 5 years that I worked for K-12 online and it worked just fine. This is how I kind of did my additional lessons if kids needed additional help. But I think that is it. I just wanted to share with you. Thank you.